Hello learners, welcome to Computer Pathshala, Basic and Advanced. Today we are going to revise the chapter TuxPaint through an interesting MCQ session. There are multiple choice questions based on TuxPaint features, tools and functions. Try answering each question before the timer ends. Let's begin our quiz. What is TuxPaint? Here is our first question. What is TuxPaint? Is it a word processing software, an antivirus software, a drawing program, especially for children, or none of these? Think carefully and choose the correct answer. You have 5 seconds to think about your answer. Choose the option you feel is correct. The correct answer is option 3, a drawing program especially for children. TuxPaint is a free drawing software designed especially for kids. It helps children create colorful drawing easily. Let's move to question 2. How is a file saved in TuxPaint? Is it saved by file name, file type, thumbnail, or none of these? Your 5 seconds start now. Think carefully and select the correct option. The correct answer is option 3, thumbnail. In TuxPaint, drawings are saved as thumbnails, making them easy to identify without typing file names. Question number 3. Which of these is not a feature of a TuxPaint? Read all the options carefully before answering. You have 5 seconds. Make your choice now. The correct answer is option 4, highly expensive software. TuxPaint is actually free software and is available for everyone to use. Now, which creature do you see when you open TuxPaint? Is it a lion, a penguin, a bird, or none of these? Take 5 seconds and think about the answer. The correct answer is option 2, a penguin. The penguin is called Tux and serves as a friendly mascot of TuxPaint. Now let's answer question 5. Which tool is selected automatically when TuxPaint starts? Your timer starts now. Think and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is option 1, Paint tool. The Paint tool is selected by default when the TuxPaint opens. Question number 6. Which option is different from the others? Look carefully and identify the odd one out. 5 seconds remaining. Choose your answer. The correct answer is Sub-Toolbox. Sub-Toolbox is an area that provides extra options. यहाँ पर ब्रश टूल सिलेक्ट हो गया है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप उसको कट करके सब टूल बॉक्स कर दीजिए. करेक्ट आंसर इज सब टूल बॉक्स. नेक्स्ट इज question number 7. Which tool is known as the most special feature of TuxPaint? See the options: Paint tool, Hazel brush, sub toolbox, and Magic tool. And your time starts now. The correct answer is option 4, Magic tool. The Magic tool provides many exciting effects and make TuxPaint unique. Next, which of the following is a part of Magic tool? The blur magic, the grass effect, hazel brush, and the flower tool. Your 5-second timer starts now. The correct answer is hazel brush. Hazel brush is one of the special effects available inside the magic tool. Next question. How many shapes are available in the shapes sub tool box? 10, 12, 20 or 16? You have 5 seconds. Select your answer. The correct answer is option 4, 16 shapes. TuxPaint provides a variety of shapes for creating beautiful drawings. Now next question, which tool is used to remove unwanted part of a picture in TuxPaint? See the options. Shapes tool, eraser, the fill tool, none of the above. Think quickly, your timer has started. The correct answer is option 2, eraser tool. The eraser tool helps us remove mistakes and unwanted part of a drawing. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not true for shapes tool? Option 1, 2, 3 or 4. Read all the options and think about the correct answer. The time starts now. The correct answer are option 4. There are 20 shapes available in the shapes tool. Which tool is used for wiggling of pictures vertically in TuxPaint? Wavelet effects, wave effect, smudge effect, none of the above. Your timer starts now. The correct answer is wavelets effect. Hope you all are enjoying in this video and you are writing the answers. Okay? Last में आप लोग मुझे कमेंट करके बताएंगे कि आप लोगों के कितने आंसर्स सही थे. Which tool is used for wiggling of pictures horizontally in TuxPaint? Wavelets effect, waves effect, smudge effect, none of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is waves effect. Very good. Now we'll move to the next question. Which tool is used to add images in TuxPaint? Stamp tool, new tool, paint tool, paintbrush. The timer starts. Think the answer. So the correct answer is stamp tool. We'll move to the next question now. White noise is a mixture of black and white dots, gray and white dots, gray, blue, maroon, and white dots, and none of the above. Think quickly, your timer has started. Okay, so the correct answer is option number 3, gray, blue, maroon, and white dots. We'll move to the next question. What is the sequence to open the TuxPaint? Okay, we have learned it. जिसने मेरा TuxPaint वाला वीडियो देखा है, I think उसको तो सारे आंसर आने चाहिए. Okay, let's check. Options are there on the screen. Just see the options and tell me the correct answer. Timer starts. Option 1 is correct. Start, Programs, TuxPaint and TuxPaint window. We'll move to the next question. The grass effects is present in dash tool. Options are drip, magic, stamp or none of the above. Think quickly. Your timer has started. The correct answer is magic tool. Hope ज्यादातर बच्चे सब सही आंसर दे रहे होंगे. Next question, we have dash fixed colors in TuxPaint. 17, 16, 20 and 22. You have 5 seconds. Select your answer. So option 1 is correct. We have 17 fixed colors in tux paint. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect? See, the options are written on the screen. Read the option very carefully and give me the answer. Select your correct option. Your time starts now. Okay, so the correct answer is Magic Tool is the default tool in tux paint. Now I'll move to the next question. The stamp tool is a sub tool in which? Paintbrush tool, shapes tool, magic tool, none of the above. You have 5 seconds. Select your answer. The correct answer is paintbrush tool. So, excellent work, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this Tux Paint MCQ quiz session and learned important concepts while having fun. Keep practicing and revising regularly to improve your computer knowledge. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Computer Pathshala. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss our educational videos. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ये लिख के जरूर बताएं कि आपके इस क्विज में कितने मार्क्स आए. थैंक यू.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना. वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना.